Okay, now we're gonna talk about the application of sequin motif. First, we make a line of sequins. And you can see the sequence is one connect the other one. But if we want to make the sequin 2 in a row or 3 in a row, then we need to choose the motif and set the count and the space. The count means how many sequins together, and the space is like a distance. Yeah, it's look like 2 in a row, 2 sequins in a row. And also we can set 3 like this, and 4. Yeah. Also the space can be set as you wish. Yeah, this is the second motif, how it's gonna be used.